Hi, it's Nicole Gray, founder of Rich, Skinny, Pretty. Now don't let the name fool you, it's about everyday women and everyday style. And today we're at my very favorite shopping destination in Los Angeles, Madison Boutique on 3rd Street. So today we're talking a few musts for achieving debutante ball style. Number one is definitely wearing a white or cream colored gown. Definitely long, definitely dramatic, and definitely classic. In addition, you're going to want to complete your look with white or cream gloves to match the gown, and a perfect finishing touch is pearls. What's the point of the debutante ball? It's a way to present yourself to society getting ready for marriage. What a better way than do it with a white dress, gloves, and pearls. Again, this is Nicole Gray of Rich, Skinny, Pretty at Madison Boutique in Los Angeles. Thanks so much for joining me. I'll see you next time.